Hi, I'm Adrian Bowles of Storm Insights. I recently had the opportunity to talk to Pascal Lessard of SAP at TechEd in Las Vegas. Pascal shared his thoughts on augmented reality and the future of wearable technology. Here are some of the highlights from that conversation.
So when we started discussing with customers, we realized that the main point of using wearable technology, and especially smart glasses, was that we were able to provide them complete and free solutions. So they were able to assess the current problems that they have, or just do the task that their users are currently doing, but without having to actually hold a device in their hands. And this is a huge opportunity. So we can think about multiple types of industries, but if we take, for example, servicing or warehouse pickers, we can take out of their hands scanning devices. We can take out tablets and smartphones and provide all the information directly in front of them. And this is a huge asset because you can win time and you can display what they need to see depending on the current context. What we realized very soon is that wearable technology and augmented reality is very cross-topic, cross-industries, and we were able to find use cases that are applicable in most of these industries. So we've been able to see some needs inside healthcare, inside sports, but we've been tackling maybe a little bit more about the factories or logistics scenarios or field service scenarios because we could see that the need was maybe more important right now in these specific industries. It's really easy to see with wearable technology and with augmented reality, as you were saying, that it's really a part of Internet of Things. These devices are able to get information from multiple types of sensors, multiple types of systems from SAP, for example. And all this data can be aggregated and provided in a way that will be meaningful to the user. And this is the beauty of Internet of Things, is that there's no restrictions anymore. All the sensors, all the information is available. And then it can be used for any types of scenarios and not necessarily inside a factory, but it can be used in any types of user stories. Creating knowledge database or creating knowledge on the spot is something that is very important for, again, all the different types of industries. So if you have something that is going on a site and do specific tasks, and this person is a very experienced person, it is important that you can record it, that you can take pictures and capture what this person is capable of doing. And then this knowledge database can be reusable throughout multiple different employees, again, using wearable technology or using regular mobile devices. And this is very important for us because we really realize that this type of information is very valuable to the end users. So using smart glasses or using any types of other wearables such as smartwatches, you're able to record, you're able to capture the information about something that is broken, about something that is working well. But ultimately, gathering all this information makes the experience more rich and more meaningful to the other users. And again, it's just added values for the other users when they get access to this huge amount of data. I don't see any cultural issues in adoption. I don't think that there's some type of fear but we can always see when we bring up new devices that the people have a certain apprehension on how this is going to work. So when we met with different customers and partners, we could see that some of them were asking questions like, oh, is this going to be recording? How is it going to know where I am at what time? And it's all about getting used to it. A couple of years ago, when we were meeting with customers and partners, not everyone was having a smartphone or a tablet. And we were talking to them, oh, listen, the iPad is coming up, the tablets from Android are coming up. And then they were like, oh yeah, but we don't know, let's see. And now when you get to a meeting, when you get to people, everybody has a smartphone, everybody has a tablet. So it's just a matter of time, letting the time to people to adapt the solution, but we really see the potential of all these different devices and new form factors with all the different types of application they can bring to the end users.